European policymakers have been grappling for a long time now with two main issues. On the one hand, foster participation of retail investors to capital markets. Because compared to American households, European families still get little to no exposure to capital markets and are still overly reliant on bank savings. On the other, unify European capital markets, which nowadays remain still highly fragmented. Solving these issues will help to achieve the main objectives in the European Union agenda, like the green and the digital transition, to name the most important ones. But also member states in Europe play their part in achieving these objectives at their local level with their sectorial national legislation. And this is what's happening in Italy. Following some amendments to an existing sectoral legislation to expand the audience of investors that can get access to investment in small-medium enterprises and infrastructure projects, usually hosted in alternative investment funds reserved to professional investors, a new client category of so-called semi-professional investors has been introduced in Italy. These investors, under certain circumstances, can now invest into AIFs that were traditionally reserved to professional investors. And these AIFs are not only local AIFs, but also European AIFs. Semi-professional investors or clients do not exist as a category at European level. And that's because European legislation, like MiFID, is still set on an old-fashioned dichotomy between professional and retail clients. And some minor changes to this category might be introduced with the retail investment strategy, if that ever comes to light.